Today we will see a villa in one of the prestigious and upscale neighborhoods of Mont-Boron in Nice. This property features a swimming pool, panoramic views of the city and the sea, a beautiful garden and stylish interiors. It offers a favorable and more affordable alternative to living near Monaco. Our guide will be my colleague Anaïs from Valeri agency. Bonjour, Anaïs. Bonjour.
I invite you to see this magnificent villa on the hills of the Mont-Boron area of Nice. This ideal location is very close to the Col du Villefranche Pass and only a few minutes' drive from the famous Promenade des Anglais and the heart of Nice. We are also within equal distance of Cannes and Monaco. The house offers panoramic views of the city and the sea thanks to its elevated position. The house has a surface area of 140 square meters. On the upper level, there are 3 rooms, including 2 bedrooms. Plus, there is a separate apartment on the lower level. There is also a bungalow on the site, which can be used as a living room or an office.
As you enter the spacious living room, you are captivated by the tastefully decorated interior featuring many interesting vintage details.
The living room is open and seamlessly integrated with the outdoor space, thanks to the panoramic windows that flood the area with natural light. This design allows the surrounding nature to flow into the home, enhancing the connection between the interior and exterior. You can enjoy the beauty of nature on one side and stunning views on the other.
La cuisine est entièrement sur mesure.
The kitchen has been fully customized to blend seamlessly with the living room. We have carefully selected high-quality materials and appliances, including an excellent coffee machine, a wine fridge, and a large American-style refrigerator. The spacious work surfaces provide ample room for preparing delicious Mediterranean dishes. Additionally, the kitchen features a small terrace where you can relax with a refreshing drink or enjoy a cup of coffee. This corridor leads to the bedrooms and nighttime area of the house. Here is the first bedroom. To the right, there is a beautiful bathroom that has been completely renovated. The master bedroom is located in a corner of the house and features windows on 2 sides. One side offers a stunning panoramic view of Nice and the sea. You can also admire the swimming pool and beautifully landscaped garden from this angle. All rooms are equipped with air conditioning, which provides both cooling and heating options.
I especially love the pool and garden areas.
We are on the sunny side, facing southeast-southwest and overlooking Nice. In the evening, the view is magical when the city is in light. From here, you can even see Massif du Lustrel and Saint-Tropez.
In addition to the sitting areas around the pool, this level also features an outdoor summer kitchen with a bar. The kitchen, including a grill, is well equipped to cook dinner outdoors or organize a pool party. The house and garden are on different levels.
On this garden level, a charming wooden bungalow can serve as either a workshop or a home office. This detached structure is ideal for anyone seeking more peace while working.
On this level, there is a separate apartment.
So we are in a 30 square meter apartment below the house. Now, they are entirely independent, but you can combine it with the upper level with a staircase. The apartment opens directly onto the garden. It is also air-conditioned. As you can see, everything has been renovated with high-quality materials. And just like in the main house, special attention has been paid to the decor. It also has an ensuite bathroom.
There is a covered terrace surrounded by tropical greenery.
This terrace features a charming dining area with a large table, perfect for enjoying lunches or dinners outdoors with friends or family. We are now at the garden level. Below us is the garage and the entrance from the roadside. From the entrance, steps lead up to the house.
You often ask me to show you houses near Monaco that you can buy at a reasonable price. I think this is a great option for living close to a big city with excellent infrastructure, still without the hustle and bustle of the city. Close to the sea, the international airport, and Monaco is only 20 to 25-minute drive away. The villa makes you feel like you are living in a stylish beach bungalow in Saint-Tropez or Barei. Everything is ready to move in. I love the garden and would like to return here once to enjoy the views of Nice at night. So, do you want to live like this? Please write in the comments. And if you need help finding a home in south of France, feel free to message Anaïs and me. All our contacts are in the video description. And like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you soon in France.